I'm loving this HEETA Scalp Massager brush. I've been using it for a while now and it works really well. I really like to use this HEETA brush. Look, they have silicone bristles in the shower when I wash my hair, and you can also use it to dry massage, and it is really relaxing. It gives me a moment when I have stress from the kids. I can just go in the shower and have a moment to relax in the shower, put this on my hair, and it is really nice. I've also put you an affiliate link underneath this video in the description if you are interested in the HEETA Scalp Massager hair brush. As I said, it has this really nice bristles, these silicone bristles here, and they really massage it very well. The hair and the head, the scalp, which is also great at the moment. It's the winter, so I have very dry skin as well. So this is great for that as well. Also, it comes with a little handle here with a little string. You can hang it up in the shower if you want. And you can easily put it on your hands, slide it in, and then you are good to go and massage your hair. I really love this massage hair scalping shampoo brush, and I can highly recommend it to you.